Hey, welcome back. We have two flagship devices from two different companies, OnePlus and Motorola. And in this video, we are going to compare OnePlus 8 Pro and Moto Edge Plus. Now, first of all, talking about the design, both phones look similar. At the front, you are getting a curved display on both the smartphones. OnePlus 8 Pro is coming with 6.78-inch curved Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz of display refresh rate, and you are getting a in-display fingerprint sensor. And with that, you are getting a 16-megapixel selfie camera cut out at the top. Moto Edge Plus is going to be the first flagship smartphone from the company, and at the front of Moto Edge Plus you are getting a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display where all four corners are floating at the edges, and it is coming with 90Hz of display refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor which is an optical sensor, and a circular camera cutout for the front facing camera which is a 25-megapixel shooter. Now both phones are coming with really good displays, but OnePlus 8 Pro is really one step ahead than the Moto Edge Plus with its 120Hz of display refresh rate. And at the back of OnePlus 8 Pro, you are getting a quad camera setup which includes 48-megapixel primary lens, telephoto lens which is a 8-megapixel, ultra-wide angle lens which is a 48-megapixel, and color filter lens which is a 5-megapixel. Whereas Moto Edge Plus is coming with triple camera setup at the back which includes a 108-megapixel primary lens, 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. Both phones are coming with dual stereo speakers, and you are also getting a 3.5mm headphone jack in Moto Edge Plus, which is not present in OnePlus 8 Pro. In terms of performance, both phones are coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G support. OnePlus 8 Pro is coming with 8GB, 128GB storage, 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage options, whereas Moto Edge Plus is coming with 12GB of RAM option and 256GB of internal storage option. You are getting a 4510 mAh battery capacity in OnePlus 8 with 30W fast charging and 30W wireless fast charging. Moto Edge Plus is coming with a beast 5000 mAh battery capacity which is quite bigger than OnePlus 8 Pro battery capacity, and it sports turbo power wireless charging which can charge your smartphone in under 40 minutes. And Motorola is claiming that the smartphone will last you for more than 2 days. Both phones are IP68 certified, which means both are water and dust resistant. And guys, according to me, Moto Edge Plus will be a better choice if you consider camera quality, battery performance and overall performance. Both phones are quite good, and you will also get 120Hz of display refresh rate in OnePlus 8 Pro. Now talking about the pricing, both phones are coming with $1,000 price mark. So guys, it's up to you now which one you like more. Tell me your thoughts about both these smartphones in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow.